Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication or two-step verification on your Gmail account. So, let's get started. First, go to your Gmail and tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Alright, next tap on Manage your Google account. So, you will be directed to your Google account settings. After that, go to the Security section. Alright, here you will see two-step verification. As you can see, it is currently off. To turn it on, just tap on it and enter your phone password to proceed. After that, you need to add your phone number for two-step verification. So tap on two-step verification again, and you will be asked to enter your phone number. Just enter the code and click verify. Alright, as you can see, the two-step verification is now enabled. Alright, now you know how to enable two-step verification or two-factor authentication on your Gmail account. So, good luck, and that's it.